Welcome to Data World Solution. Hope you are doing well. In this video, we will learn how to log in into a Snowflake account, how to connect Snowflake in Power BI, how to connect Snowflake in Tableau, what is account identifier, where we find account identifier, and where we find compute URL to log in into Power BI and Tableau. So, first of all, you will receive this mail. Activate your account at this specific URL. So right click and open in new tab. You will see exactly this URL, and there will be can just provide our username which I create at the creation of a Snowflake account and same password which is while creating a Snowflake account. Now we successfully log in into a Snowflake account, and you can just click here top right corner of plus button and create a SQL worksheet here. Now you successfully create worksheet, and you can set up here database and schema. Now you can also see your database here, and like this schema you can see table, and you can also for example select star from orders and put here limit 5 to check your query run or not. You successfully run this query, I am sure. Now second point is how to log in into Power BI. Before that we learn where we find account identifier and compute URL. Go to worksheet. In down left corner here just over, and you can find here account identifier and compute URL. You just click here to copy and paste in your notepad. This is compute URL for login into Power BI and Tableau as well. And you can also find account copy over here and copy this account identifier. So simply here you can copy this. Go to your email address. Once again navigate to this tab, and here you can also see you copies first of all this URL into notepad. This is exactly same as this one. So this is basically your account name. You can copy and you can provide this account name if you log in by app.snowflake.com. For example, sign out this one, and if you provide this account identifier and sign in, this is usage of account identifier, and now you can simply put your username and password to log in into a Snowflake account. Now how to connect Snowflake into Power BI we will see. So for this we can use this URL, copy this. Now open our Power BI app. Click here, get data, and now search Snowflake database. Now click here and connect. Provide your server address, which is copy from here. This is our server address before HTTP, and provide house. Go to data warehouse, click here and copy this data warehouse name and put here. You can also provide your role names. This is not required, but you can provide also SQL statement. In our case, we can just click OK. Connecting this Power BI to Snowflake, we can see this same database as you see in Snowflake. Snowflake and Snowflake sample data. Now you can check, click here to see your schema and click here to see your table. For example, we can select this order table and load into Power BI. Click this is import into Power BI all data set, and this is a direct query from Snowflake into Power BI. So in our case, we select direct query because not we are going to use any chart table here. Simply this video for connecting, how to connect Snowflake to Power BI. So let's create some chart, and you can click one card and total price. You can see calculating sum of total price. uh, how to connect Snowflake into Tableau. So we are opening Tableau now. In my case, we see a Snowflake, but in your case, might be not see here. So click more and simply search Snowflake. Click here Snowflake and provide your server address. This is in our case. Provide your server address, role, account admin, username and password authentication method. You can also select as per your company policy. Provide your username and password, or click here sign in. Set up your data warehouse. Also select database, select schema. Now you can see all the table which is belong to this schema. Simply select your table. This table contains around 1.5 million record, and you can see how quickly load into Tableau. You can also see what I take, like order status. You put here into row cell and take total price into column cell to create bar chart. Hope you are learn how to connect Snowflake into Power BI and how to connect Snowflake into Tableau. If you have any question, please comment me, and please like this video and also subscribe this channel. Thank you.